Welcome, React enthusiasts and developers. Are you ready to dive deep into the heart of React.js? Today, we're exploring the powerful concept of component composition, the key to creating dynamic, reusable UIs. Let's start with the art of component composition. It's what makes React.js so flexible and efficient. By composing components, we can build complex UIs from simple, reusable parts. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's talk about props and context API. They enable smooth communication between components. With these tools, we can pass data and manage state efficiently. It's like having a well-oiled machine. Next, let's organize our components with container and presentational patterns. It's all about clean architecture. This approach leads to better code maintainability. It's like having a well-organized toolbox. Now, let's unlock reusability with HOCs and render props. They transform components into versatile building blocks. With these techniques, we can create components that can be reused in different contexts. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for UI development. Let's dive into hooks for state management and lifecycle control. Plus, we'll explore memoization for performance enhancement. With these tools, we can create efficient, high-performing applications. It's like having a turbocharged engine under the hood. Now, let's put theory into practice. We'll build a dynamic UI component library using advanced composition techniques. With this library, we can quickly assemble UIs like building blocks. It's like having a Lego set for UI development. Finally, let's ensure stable user experiences with error handling techniques. We'll also explore advanced state management like Redux. With these techniques, we can create robust, stable applications. Congratulations on mastering React's component composition.